Okay, so now we've got our belt. If we want to have our accessories move with our character so that they can be part of our character essentially, we're going to reattach it, which we wouldn't have had to do if we made it an element of the object, but I wanted to make it a separate object to make it easier to do. We'll leave it with its own separate texture by selecting that top option there. And now it's attached, it's part of our same object. If we were to put our skin modifier on, which we kind of need a biped to go with, like you can do it after you have a biped as well by just attaching it and then redoing the biped, but I'll just do this quickly. So now we've got a biped. If we go back to our model, we can add all the bones in our scene. We only have the one set of bones, which is our biped. Edit our envelopes, select our vertices. You'll see that I'm able to select the belt and the character. And we'll find that our belt isn't weighted entirely to our pelvis from the standard envelopes, and the rest of the character is there as well. So if I select a bone like a pelvis, you'll find that we'll end up marking it separately again, because you'll find that that section's more yellow than that section, so the envelope isn't working quite properly, but I didn't make too much effort to place the biped's dead center of our object. And so I wanted to get that entire area and rig it entirely to our pelvis, just so it moves all at the same area. Now you'll find that it does. But save going through rigging an entire character to show this point. I'll just move it forward, the entire character moves. If I rotate our pelvis, the belt rotates at the same as the hips. So yeah, as long as it's part of the same object, which you use by using the attach option from Edit Poly, you should be able to skin it the same way. If you don't want to use the attach option from Edit Poly, you can leave it separate and apply your own skin modifier to it. As long as it's weighted the same way to the same bone, it will still move the same. So yeah.